Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're diving into an app designed to streamline operations for businesses. It's called MaintainX. This video explains how this app helps businesses with maintenance management, work order tracking, and asset maintenance. Whether you're in manufacturing, property management, or any industry that needs equipment maintenance, let's see if MaintainX is the right fit for you. MaintainX is a comprehensive maintenance management app that helps businesses manage work orders, assets, and preventive maintenance schedules in one place. Its user-friendly interface saves time and reduces downtime by streamlining maintenance tasks. You can create work orders, track completed jobs, and get real-time updates, ensuring you stay on top of everything. A standout feature is preventive maintenance. You can set recurring tasks for regularly serviced equipment, preventing breakdowns and extending the life of your assets. MaintainX also lets team members log in, view assignments, and communicate directly through the app. Its mobile-first design is perfect for technicians working in the field. Another feature is asset history tracking, which lets you review past maintenance activities. This is useful for audits and troubleshooting recurring issues. It provides better control over maintenance management, increasing productivity and reducing the risk of missed tasks. However, there are a few cons. While it's great for work order tracking, it may not be as customizable for larger businesses with more complex needs. Some users also find the interface a bit tricky to navigate at first. MaintainX offers both free and paid versions. The free version is good for smaller teams, while the paid versions unlock additional features, like advanced reporting and integrations. Businesses should assess their needs before deciding. In conclusion, MaintainX is a powerful tool for businesses to manage maintenance, improve collaboration, and keep equipment running smoothly. Whether you're small or large, it can help streamline daily operations. If you're looking for better maintenance management and asset tracking, MaintainX is worth considering. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.